Okay, in this lecture we'll do a basic hello world of JavaScript. Okay, so just open the Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so or any editor of your choice if you are not using this. So how to install this, the basics of this as to how to install and how to open, I've already covered as part of the deployment section in this course. So you can always go and refer to it. Okay, so just open this file and open folder and select the folder in which you want to do the development. Okay, so you want to add the files in which folder, right? You just select that particular folder. And the first file which we are going to create is index.html. Okay, so once you create this file, just type HTML. So how to install this HTML boilerplate plugin, I've already explained in the deployment section, so I'm not repeating myself here. Okay, but just type the HTML and select this HTML boilerplate, and Visual Studio Code will automatically enter all the boilerplate for you. Okay, so then you can go ahead and do the title here. Okay, so I have just given the title as JS syntax. And then the next thing which we are going to create is a folder. So if you hover over here, you will get a new folder icon. Just create on a new folder called JS. So in this folder, we will just create a new file naming like 01test.js. So in this, we'll just do a basic hello world. Okay. So and this test.js we need to refer here in the line number 20. You are seeing the script, right? Script src. Here you need to refer that script so that this script gets included as part of this HTML file. So basically what we are doing is we are linking this HTML file to this particular script. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. So you can select js/ and 01, so it will automatically prompt, and you can just type enter, and then the file gets selected. So now we have linked this particular index.html to this particular JS. So to test that, we'll just put a console.log. Okay, so just console.log is just an output statement. So it's just like a printf in C or print in any other language, right, which you are familiar with. So you can just type hello world here, and that's it. So you can just right click on this one and click reveal in file explorer, and you can then double click on this index.html, and nothing is shown here because we haven't entered anything in the in the HTML page. Just the title we have entered, so we got the title, but the body itself we haven't entered anything, so we haven't got it. But we have put the console.log here, and that console.log, if you press F12, right, the function F12, or if you right click and inspect it, right, you will be able to see. So if you open in this in the Chrome, right, you will be able to see this console. Okay, in this console, whatever we have logged, right, console.log, whatever we have entered here will get logged in this particular part. Okay, you just have to right click, inspect, and go to console, or you just have to click on F12. Okay, and here you see hello world. Okay, so this confirms that our HTML has been linked with this JavaScript file. Okay, so with that, let's move forward on understanding all these next things. Thank you.